So this is the shed in question behind, housing the Willys Jeep. So I'm just going to take a little look inside. Haven't been in here for ages, and see what it's looking like. I mean, the first thing I notice is that there's a bit more surface rust than I remember. I love the number, but she looks okay. It's going to be, I can already see, it's going to be an absolute mission to get it out. Yeah, look, come and have a look at this stuff I found. Look. Look at this though. Honestly, this is absolutely epic. I looked in here. Look at these. Look, those are from the 80s. Put them on.
They're your dad's?
I think they must have been. Like, how good are they? Abs.
Cool.
And look what else I found. So look at this. Look, see this Twix strapper? Look, look, 18p.
What?
18p, and look at the date.
18p?
Look, 1987. That is so good. And look,
That's the funniest.
it's original.
God,
Last tax
before
disc.
we were born.
Yeah, before, quite a lot before we were born. What are you doing up there, Freddie? Is that fun up there? Good boy. You gonna get some rats? Good boy, Fred.
So what are we doing here, Morv?
Well, so we're still on a mission to get this old Willys Jeep out. So where we left earlier is that I was going to pump the tyres up on the John Deere and get that out. I was hoping to get it running, but I couldn't. And but if you look behind here, we have got it out. Unfortunately, in the process, I punctured my knee quite badly down through the flesh into the fat, quite a deep wound, so we had to go back and sort that out. So I've had my leg up for a couple of hours because it was bleeding quite badly, and like I say, it was a deep wound. But now I'm back like a bit of a peg leg because I can't actually bend my knee, and I look like an absolute state. I'm aware of that, but we're doing quite well here. The issue we had is that the Willys Jeep was tight into that corner, so we couldn't drive it out, and there's no room behind without clearing all that stuff out, and underneath that wood there's ploughs and stuff.
I
like
love
that
the
too.
colour. Are you going to keep it the same colour? The Jeep?
Yeah, definitely. I just want to keep it pretty much as it is, just surface rusty. But yeah, so I jacked the front end up, and we've managed to pull it with the Hilux. You can see there's sort of ropes we got set up downhill, and it's pulled the front along. And as you can see, we've got to be very careful because look, see the tyre here. The inner tube, the tyre wall's completely split and perished. To be fair to these Michelin tyres, they're probably 50 years old. I freed off this wheel. Every wheel's stuck on. I'm just giving them a bang with the sledge to hope that they free off.
Yeah.
So hopefully they'll all free off and we'll be able to tow it back. But yeah, first time, it's about to see light for the first time in 35 years. So Abs, I need your help a minute.
Sure.
I need to free off the wheels, and I need to, so basically I need to whack the wheels with a sledgehammer, but I don't want to dent the wheels. So what I need you to do, if you don't mind, is hold a piece of wood over the wheel whilst I hit it with a sledgehammer. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much vibration is that? Make sure it's... That's it. Well, give it a toe and see if that's reached. I'll try once more. Okay, we'll see what that's doing. We'll just give it a bit of a toe and see what happens.
Okay. Okay, hold up there, hold up. Okay, keep going. Yeah. Yeah, that should be fine. So this is effectively the first drive in the Willys. Got Abby towing in the truck and I'm just sat here cruising. And what's great is that I can hang my bad leg out the door because I punctured my knee earlier. I basically can't bend my leg. So this is ideal, frankly. Perfect. This is epic. The sun's shining. Oh yeah, shit, I've got my where are those glasses? Oh yes. This is epic. This is like straight back to the 80s. And when I say the 80s, that's because that's when my dad took this over to Normandy and that's when it was last used in 1984. So frankly, where I'm sat now, this is perfect to me. This is amazing. Like, life doesn't get any better than this. For me, it actually doesn't. I'm not even joking. I've wanted to drive this thing since I was a kid. It's been in that shed since before I was born, and it's the first time it's seen sunlight. It's an amazing day in April, and I'm sat behind the wheel. It's wicked. Wrong side. Yeah, have a sit in it. What do you think? Don't you think it's cool?
Yeah.
It's so good, isn't it?
So cool. Reminds me of a little bit of the Levi's.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, because we had a 1978 Jeep CJ7
I love
Levi's edition, which we used quite a lot, didn't we, Abs?
Yeah.
We used to go out. How cool is it though?
I love it. It's so cool.
Don't you think this would be really fun to drive around in on a day like today?
Yeah.
Yesterday was mission accomplished, and we've got the Willys Jeep back to the yard, so we can actually start working. It's in pretty good nick. I know it looks terrible, but there's no rot in it. I've been right around it, and there's absolutely no rot at all. It's all surface. There's just a lot of mechanical recommissioning to do. Sort all the brakes out, get her up and running again, sort the drivetrain out. And hopefully it'll be good, but Wilf is loving it too, as you can see. Is that fun, Fred? Is that good, Freddie? Oh, good. I know what will complete the look. Stay there, Fred.
No.
Oh, I was gonna see if he wanted the 80s aviators, but perhaps he doesn't. But we're all loving it, and the next stage is now is to get rid of this surface rust, go around it with a wire brush and an air gun, get rid of all the loose material, and then we can really see where we stand with it and go from there. And I'll start documenting the process of bringing it back to life. Are you looking forward to the day where you can drive it, Abs?
Yeah, love it.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
yeah,
amazing.
literally can't
I
wait.
love the colour.
Well, you better get to work.